Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an easy $10 with an app called Plynk and what it's all about. Let's get into it. Plynk is an investment app that offers stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and crypto, and I'm going to dive right into how you can make some cash with this app first, and then cover some of the details on how it works afterwards. So step 1 is download the Plynk app in Google Play or the Apple app, and I'll even put the link in the description box below so you can find it easier. Step 2, you're going to need to open a new account. And step 3, link an eligible bank account and the Plynk team will deposit $10 straight into your brokerage account through the app within 30 days. The downside to this is you're going to need to wait another 30 days once you receive the money to withdraw it if you choose not to invest it directly. The good news is it's not required that you invest it, so you can withdraw it. Now there are more details on the website that you can look at if you have any more questions about eligibility. And I also want to mention that the Plynk app was giving away an extra $25 up to $250 for each friend who signs up with your referral code and deposits at least $25. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like the Refer a Friend program is still going on, but be sure to keep a lookout for promotions because they do update them often and some offer a pretty good stack of money. Now let's get into how the app works. The homepage shows your money with your cash and stocks divided by color, which is convenient. The top left tab will give you access to everything you need, and the top has a search bar to search for assets as well. Continue scrolling down to deposit or withdraw your money, view crypto, learn, explore investments, and even turn gift cards into money. There is also another search tab next to the home icon, and next to that you can view your portfolio. What I like about the app is that it's easy to navigate and understand because it's geared more towards beginners, and you can browse stocks by category, making it simple for investors who only want to invest in one specific sector. Their current selection isn't the largest, though it is convenient for people who want to get started investing on a budget because you can also buy fractions of shares with as little as $1 if you can't afford a full share. Another cool feature is that stocks have info, expert risk ratings, and performance charts that show movement, growth, market cap, and dividend yield. The app does have a lot of room for growth, but is all in all a solid platform that I'm looking forward to seeing more updates from. I hope this video helps, and be sure to get in on that $10 bonus while you still can because it will not last forever. Thank you all for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with future content. And until next time, save that money.